best strategy to recover all my losses is by using Martingale strategy. Martingale involves doubling the trade size every time a loss is faced. It can also be considered as a methodology to amplify the chance of recovering from losses or a losing streak. Also, it involves doubling up your stake. I consider using Martingale as an art of taking advantage of winning trades because it's going to recover the loss and make more profit. In short, is the method used to recover lost trade and make profit. Simple. To trigger Martingale strategy, you will multiply your previous amount or your previous stake times 2.3 or 2.5. Assuming you take a dollar trade with 80% payout and you lost the trade, your next trade is going to be 1 times 2.5 or 2.3. I use 2.3 most of the time, so it's going to be 1 times 2.3 is going to give us 2.3, which I'm going to approximate down to 2. Therefore, you are going to earn 1.6 from taking the $2 trade. Thereby, you have recovered your $1 initial stake that you first lose and you are making 60 cents as profit. Remember, martingale is used to recover losses and make small or little or no profit, but you can just make small profit, but most especially I use it to recover my losses. For a beginner, I'm going to advise minimum of 6 martingale. In order to have up to 6 martingale on your account, you must have nothing less than $115 inside your live account. But if you have $100 account, you are going to have 5 martingale, which is going to be 1, 2, 5, 12 and 28. All together, that is $48. If you have $200 account, you are going to have 1, 2, 5, 12, 28 and 65. All together, that is 113, and you have up to 6 martingale. If you have a $500 account and you start your initial stake with 1, you are going to have up to 7 martingale. If you start your initial stake from 2, you are going to have 6 martingale, because you are going to have 2, 5, 12, 28, 65 and 150. All together, that is 262. If you have $1,000 account and you start your initial stake from 5, you are going to have 5, 12, 28, 65, 150, 345. All together, that is 607. If you have $3,000 account and you start your initial stake with 15, you are going to have 15, 35, 80, 184, 423 and 973. Altogether, that is $1290, and that is 6 martingale. But if you start from 1, you are going to have more than 8 martingale. Using martingale can be very very risky, but if you have a proper good setup, you know your strategy very well, martingale is not going to be risky for you. It's going to be your best friend. It's going to be your helper. Martingale is going to serve as an advantage. I don't advise using martingale on a $10 account because you are just going to have 125, and altogether, is that not 7? You will have $3 left. Let me also remind you that nothing is impossible once you set a realistic goal. That is why at the moment I'm documenting how I'm growing a $10 account, and right now I'm triggering martingale. After this week, I'm going to go back to my live account and we are going to see the improvement, the modification that is in my strategy. Also, I'm doing this for you beginners that you are thinking of starting how to trade, or you want to know how to trade. This is how trading world is, mostly if you only have a $10 account and what you are taking note of your capital preservation, your risk management, discipline, and you want to actually know how to trade, not you want to flip an account, not you want to make $10 to $100 in how many days. You are not a pro, you are a beginner, so enjoy the process. Moral of the video is using martingale is the fastest way to recover from your losses, because That is what I've been using. I've been testing it and it has been working for me.